Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account on your mobile device. First, open your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for the official PayPal application. Once you find it, tap to download and install it. Make sure you have a strong, stable internet connection to ensure a smooth download and installation process. This initial step is crucial for setting up your secure mobile payment hub. After the app is installed, open it and look for the Sign Up option. You'll be prompted to enter your mobile phone number, which PayPal uses for verification. Next, carefully input your full legal name, your active email address, and then create a strong, unique password. Remember, this password protects your financial information, so choose something secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. With your basic information entered, the next step is to link a payment method. You can choose to connect a bank account or a debit or credit card. Follow the clear, on-screen instructions to securely add your chosen financial instrument. PayPal will often perform a small verification step, like making 2 tiny deposits to your bank account, which you'll need to confirm to finalize the link. This ensures your account is truly yours. Finally, PayPal may require additional identity verification steps to fully secure your account and comply with financial regulations. Once these are complete, your account is ready. You can now explore the app's many features, including sending and receiving money, paying for goods and services online, and managing your transactions. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new mobile PayPal account for all your digital payment needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.